Arena here today. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a princess look. I'm going to be doing a makeup look that would resemble Anna, like if I were to dress up as her and, you know, be the princess that she is. So I did get this Frozen eyeshadow palette for my sister as a gift, so she's letting me borrow it today for the purposes of this review, so I'm really excited. I think I'm standing like way too close to the camera. Definitely don't want to get it in my eye here. Put it there. And put it in the corner of my eyes. As you can see, oops. Color, which is this color right there. So I use this first, now this color. And then, yes, we're gonna go over the gold. We can leave some of the gold in the inner corners, but for the most part, we're gonna cover that gold with that color. This one right here. The wind color.
This kind of really shows you just how much blending can do for you.
Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. And if I was Anna, this is what my eyeshadow look would be like, probably in another world.